still hungry. 1, 2, 3, 4. On Friday, baby, stop.
I'm making a video for Geraldine. Why? You don't want people to know that you read to your daughter?
Sorry.
Hi.
Say hi, Mama.
You. She wants you to continue reading. The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
Carl. From Leo.
Yeah, Nino Leo gave me that. Nino Leo gave you a bunch of stuff.
Hey, look at this card. Watch this, baby. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Watch him do this. On Friday, he ate 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Cordy, hi. How are you? Cordy, where's your elbow? Your elbow's not under the table.
Get the 8, Cordy. There's it. There's your elbow.
There's your elbow. Where's the ape? Mommy bought you that. Cordy, can you get me a book? Can you grab a book for Mama? Can you grab me a book for Mama? Do you have a book for me?
Get the Just Like Mommy book.
Where's the Just Like Mommy book? Where could it be? Oh, is that the Just Like My? Oh.
Read it to Mama.
Thank you. Hey? She just threw it at me. Thanks a lot.
There's another book.
There's Daddy. Peekaboo. That's from Grandma. That's from Grandma Maureen.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Mama.
You're not going to look at me?
Say bye, Mama.
Fine.